Okay, we have a LEBLOND SERVO-SHIFT engine lathe, 25 by 144 Regal, serial number 11E-380. Machine was new in 1980. We're going to run it for you. The machine has inch and metric threading. It has a 3 1/16 inch hole. We're running right now at a low RPM. Machine has 85? 25 RPM. It has from 25 up to 1,000 RPM actually. Forward and reverse. They have hardened ground ways, insertable. They have inserts on the full length on both sides. He's shifting right now, it's oscillating. And we made a shift. Again, this is a Regal servo shift. Going up. Machine's very quiet. We're going to run the feeds and threads for you. Right now it's cross feed. Longitudinal. Do the cross feed again. It was a little quick. There you go, cross feed. All right. You have an Aloris tool post on there as well. Longitudinal feed. And we are threading. Okay, you can also reverse on the carriage, on the feed. We'll do that. That's the micrometer heavy duty tailstock. And you have the rack there for moving the tailstock entirely. Let's reverse the feed on the carriage. Okay. And now you're feeding the carriage the other way, and you can also feed the cross slide the other way. Okay. Maybe just a couple of more shifts and we're done. Machine has a number 4 Morse taper with 7 inches of tailstock quill travel as well. And that's a higher RPM. That's pretty fast for a big chuck. All right, I think you've seen it all. Machine does also come equipped with the 4-jaw chuck as well as the 3-jaw chuck and the 2 steady rests. You have 1 riser for the 2 steady rests, but you do have 2 steady rests. Hey, thank you for watching our video.